Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "Take your adornment whenever you perform prayer." Surah Al-Araf, verse 31. Whoso performs prayer wrapped only in one piece of cloth. It has been reported from Hazrat Salama bin Aqwa that the Prophet ﷺ said, "Stitch it whether with thorns. Its chain is objectionable. And whosoever performs prayer in the garment wearing which he has practiced coitus till he has not seen any impurity on it." And the Prophet ﷺ said, "No one must perform circumambulation of Allah's house in the nude." Hazrat Muhammad Rahmatullah alayhi reports that Hazrat Atiyya radiyallahu anha said, "We were ordained that the menstruating and veiled women should also come out and join the congregational prayer of the Muslims and their supplication, but the menstruating women must remain away from the place of prayer." A woman said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if anyone of us does not have a wide head scarf dupatta," he said, "her friend should place a part of her chadur on her." Abdullah bin Raja, Imran, Muhammad bin Sirin, Hazrat Atiyya radiyallahu anha have heard from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam the same. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 351.